What's up guys, welcome back to another Kicks Fix video. I've got my charger back for my laptop, so this is on YouTube as you already know. And as you already know too, which kick is in the video, it's none other than the Chinese New Year Air Max 1 Chinatown. Yeah, it's a US only release, so as you can see by the tab right here, that's always teared off for European releases. And it's still on there. Suggested retail price $130 in dollars. And to check out the label, it just says Nike Air Max 1 SE, which stands for Special Edition, which I think is kind of corny. I mean, back in the day when someone asked you if the kicks you were wearing, oh, is it a special edition? I was like, yeah, special edition. You don't really know a lot about kicks when you mention it like that. Doesn't really matter. I mean, it's cool they show interest for the kicks you're wearing though, but for Nike to use SE as in special edition, I don't know. I think it's a little bit lame, but whatever, it's just me. So the box says the colors are light smoke gray, university gold. I know the blue is aqua blue. And there's some more colors in there, but I'll get into that when I pull them out of the box. The color code is CU6645001 and they're made in China. So let's just get them out. I got them from StockX. That's why there's this card and another receipt. I already took the liberty to put in white laces, because I got them for my 1 year anniversary with my girlfriend. Thanks a lot, babe. Loving them. They came with a little hang tag. So let's just put the box right here, so we cannot see them. So yeah, I immediately when I could open them, I swapped the laces. She already ordered them for me like more than a month ago, so just standing here in the collection, still packed up, and you know, I didn't open them up, but I was really anxious to open them up. And a day before she already told me like, you know what, just get the box, open them up. So I was like mad as a little kid, or mad happy as a little kid, I'm sorry. So yeah, let's get into the kicks. As I mentioned before, it's the Air Max 1 Chinese New Year, and they're based on Chinatown in New York. And they came with these laces, the kind of like SB laces, black with a, yeah, it looks a little bit like infrared. It might be atomic crimson or some like that, but I don't know, it's not mentioned on the box, so I just have to guess. For the liner has some atomic blue, which look super nice. And if we compare the use of colors to the outsole, the atomic blue is right here and on the back of the outsole as well. Then we have some yellow right here, which is featured on the tongue, and the Chinese, yeah. I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Mandarin, but there's some words here, or you know. Then for this part of the outsole, which I think looks a lot like infrared, it's featured on the U-throat. That has some contrast yellow stitching, which looks super clean. Then there's pretty much no pink throughout the whole shoe, except for the front of the outsole and also the top layer of the contrast stitching around the mudguard. That's pink. It's not really obvious to see, but that's pink, and the stitching line below that is red. Then there's the mini swoosh, which is gold on the inside and red outlined. Really clean. For the normal swoosh, it's like a see-through plastic gold with blue stitching on the inside and red really thick embroidery on the outside. Then for the toe box there's this, yeah, it's not really easy to show right now because it doesn't really shine, but it's this, yeah, it feels like nylon, but it has a shine throughout the thread. So when you wear them in normal light, it like has this pretty cool shine. I've heard people say they crease like lightning, but hey, what's there to do about it? I mean, I could use the sneaker shields. Maybe I'll take them along with me, but I don't think so. I'll just see what happens. Oh, I almost forgot about the bag. The bag has this dope Pegasus on there, which I'm told in Chinese culture is often used to when there's something to celebrate. And the back tab where the Pegasus is on is what's it called? Patent leather. Wow. So yeah, and then there's this little piece right here which is like some, for the top eyelets it's waxed, I don't know, waxed canvas or maybe waxed leather. It's pretty cool that they've used so many different materials. It's like suede, nylon and all these other cool materials. Then there's the insole, and the insole has this different print as well. Here you can check out the insole. It's a swoosh made out of little swooshes. Focus on it. God damn it, okay, fuck it, it's not gonna focus. Oh, good. So what I was thinking about, because of these lace tips have yellow, pink lace tips, I was thinking about maybe doing the lace tips of these laces. I was thinking about maybe getting them all the colors used in the outsole, like one pink, one infrared, one yellow and one aqua blue, but I'm not sure because it would look cool, but the paint doesn't really adhere well to the plastic. So yeah, if you want to lace swap, you're probably gonna take it off by taking out the laces. So it's like, I'm sure it would look dope. I might do it. You just have to see for the on-feet section if I will. So stay tuned. I'm head out now, and here comes the B-roll. Hey.
We must pay homage to him.